everyone, this is Katarina. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm starting with some Valentine's Day cards. Not sure for how many I will make a video, so make sure that you check out my blog cherry-p.net. In this video I have for you a super simple card, just stamping with a black ink directly onto a card base, no MISTI or similar stamping tool needed. I decided to use a stamp that I used last year. It's this cluster of hearts by Stamps by Chloe. I made this card last year using this stamp and I think it wasn't the best idea for this stamp. The photo is not the best quality, but I think the watercolor background completely overpowers the hearts as well as the sentiment. So I thought I make something different with this stamp. These are the supplies I will be using. Along with the cluster of hearts, I will be using the little hearts from the stamp set Little Bits from W+9 just to fill out some empty spaces. I have very few sentiment stamps for Valentine's Day and none of them really fit this card. They are either too big or too small. So just like last year, I took the sophisticated script from Concord N9 to stamp the word love, and because I wanted the sentiment to say love you, I used the U stamp from the Simply Set Amazing from Avery L. As I said, I will be stamping directly onto a card base, and so I don't get any stamping onto the back of the card. And also to secure the card base onto my mat, to make sure it doesn't move, I used a post-it tape. By the way, I have all my card bases stamped on the back with my name and my website. If you want me to make a video on this stamp set, let me know in the comments below. I mounted all my stamps onto an acrylic block and used diversifying ink in Onyx Black and started stamping. This is super simple stamping, so I will speed up the video a bit and place make, although I thought I will have to remake the card as one of the hearts didn't stamp properly, but I used a black brush pen from Kuretake and just colored over it and it worked. I was really happy about that. As usual, I will have the list of supplies in the description of this video, and on my blog I will include the links to the shops where you can buy them. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. In my next video, I think I will make a super simple shaker card, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss it. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest. The links are also included in the description below. Thank you all so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!